Welcome back to the 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today we're going to cover standing on one leg, a pattern called Golden Rooster, stands on one leg. So if we shift our weight, open the door, lifting water, inhale up, exhale down. And the transition in a lot of forms is cloud hands. So if we turn and we make our circle, we circle, our large circles become smaller circles. We get into cloud hands. In this hand, this left hand is going to pull in the left foot. One hand is up, one hand is down. It's like we've got a string connected between our wrist and our ankles, between our elbow and our knees. And we just come up and down. Sink, soften, inhale up, exhale down. It can be just a tap. We are working with empty and full. We're working on our balance, nice slow shifting of the weight, and that in itself is great. And we are standing on one leg. Even if we do the tapping or we raise it a little bit, still safe. So where do you feel safe? Is it here, 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 here? Can you breathe? The wobbles are a gift. We're activating the stabilizer muscles. Inhale, exhale, hold, relax, sink. Breathing in, breathing out. One leg is probably going to be weaker than the other. Around the ankles, some of the muscles. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Practice that and join me tomorrow. Thank you. Golden Rooster stands on one leg.